Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today I have a super special video for you guys. I am doing a plan with me before the pan. I don't know if I'm gonna do all my plans because I am thinking, I'm thinking whether to use my 7x9 Erin Condren or my compact vertical in the A5. So I don't know, but either way, what we're gonna use is this beautiful kit that I just got. This is from Cafe with Anna, and I'll leave you her information below so you can check her out. So this is her first kit ever. She loves Bad Bunny, so she made her Bad Bunny kit. So I'm gonna show it to you before we start. And this is what came in my package right here. So we have some, I don't know if these are stickers. I would have to ask her, or if they're die cuts. I'm not sure exactly. First page are full boxes. Okay, we have El Conejito Malo. Right here, we have some flags. Beautiful. Let me see. Okay, we put you on the side. She's given us some headers and boxes, quarter boxes. Here are some more. And actually this kit is, I didn't know she was gonna have this release until she was almost sold out. So this was the last kit she had, and this is in the glossy. She's given us a lot of boxes, friends, look. All kinds of different boxes, flags, and also this little boxes, we have some deco. So if you don't know who Bad Bunny is, he's a reggaetonero from Puerto Rico, and I like him. He's not my favorite reggaetonero, but I purchased this kit for two main reasons. The first one is to support my friend Anna, right? This is her first kit. This is her first, adventure in kit making, and stickers. So I wanted to show my support. And also, as a Latina, I want to support our Latin friends here in the planner community, and show support and representation. And I hope that we can get more kits like this, right? Oh, I forgot. So this is another full box with washi and the days of the week. And here's some more washi and a double, like a full scene double box here. All right, so let's use this baby. I think I'm gonna save this. I'm not gonna use the 7x9 because I am going to set up my work planner with you guys, but I haven't put it together. So I have the pages that I'm gonna use, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this compact vertical together for my work planner. So let's use this kit for this one, okay? There we go. Oh, you know what? I didn't realize that I need numbers. I kind of want to get rid of that line. I might add some of this instead of that. Let's see. I just love how colorful her kit is and how festive. I think Anna created this kit because she's going to the concert. I'm pretty sure she's going to see Bad Bunny. It's coming up. I'm not sure. He's coming to Vegas, I think, in October. I think that's what I saw online. Or September. No, not September. I think it's October when he's coming. But most likely the tickets are sold out already. He's super popular. And he's in a new movie with Brad Pitt also. Yay for representing our Latinos in the big screen, right? So that's awesome. Let me see. I think my sarape washi is throwing me off a little bit, but we'll see. I wanted to add my sarape washi, but it doesn't match because it has too much pink. So, yeah. Oh, no. But I think this bright yellow, it's gonna look good. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, super bright. Now I need some numbers too, but I'll get them in a second. So I'm not sure if Anna is going to have a second release of this kit. But if she does, don't sleep on it, friends, because it's very limited. You know, she's just starting, and this is her first kit. So, but look at the cut; it's perfect, and the paper feels really good. This is the glossy paper. I might work 5 days this week. I'm not 100% sure, but for now, just gonna add 4. Work. Now, you know what? On my work week, I'm gonna add a little bit of the deco that she has here, just because. I want to pretend like I'm having fun. No, actually, I do have fun at work. There we go. Where am I going to put the time? Right there, in between. Okay. So let me mark my hours here. So it's from, I'm just going to put 7:30, and then we'll see at what time I get off. Okay. So from 7:30 to who knows what time. Oh, and you know what? Let's add this dots right here because I added the silver. So let's see. The week of the 8th. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good. So I have to leave for doctor's appointment. And then come back. Also, we get lunch on this day. So I have this Microperm 05. So these are the ones that work on the glossy stickers. Our doctor buys lunch for the office. So what do I put? Free lunch? No. I'm gonna put doctor's lunch. There we go. We get lunch that day. Let's see what else we have here. Here I am going to call the bank. Let me see, is this dry now? Yeah, it's dry. Perfect. Okay, call the bank. Look at these boxes here. They have like flames. Little flames. Let's use this one with the bunnies. This day I'm gonna work on the charts. Okay. And I'll be back. I'm gonna say bye to my baby, okay? 1 second. I have this appointment sticker. And they're organized. Perfect. That's a little crooked. Maybe a lot, maybe not. You know what? Let's add more deco up here, because these headers are looking a little bit naked. Let's see what I want to use. They're tiny. Oh, you know what? We need to do laundry here. We need to lavar la ropa. I need to get my scrubs ready, and I think I'm gonna wash my tennis shoes too. So here, and have everything ready for Monday. Okay. It's good, good, good. I don't think I need to get anything for work on Saturday, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. So I'm not using the whole kit, friends, because I will use the rest in my 7x9. So I left the washi with the Bad Bunny full box. This beautiful full boxes here. I still have all of those boxes. This with the trackers and deco. I have all of that washi still. This boxes and this. The headers. This is like glitter headers. Yeah, it looks like that. I wonder. Oh, but it's not gonna look good. No, never mind. I was thinking I have this right here. What are overlays? But they're, I don't know if I like those, but maybe this one's with the polka dots. Oh, those would look cute, right? Okay, so we'll use those in the 7x9. Or in my other A5, in my daily. Oh yeah, maybe I can use that in my daily. Okay. All right, friends, so I don't have the planner all set up yet, but imagine it's gonna look like this. Once I set up my work planner, you'll see my beautiful spread. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Anna. Thank you so much for creating this, and you know, keep representing. Oh, this is upside down. Keep representing our people, you know, our Latinos, Latinas out there, and in the planner community. So it's okay, it's raining now, but this is what I'm starting with, and we'll keep working. All right, I'll show you this kit again maybe in a couple of weeks in my either daily duo or in my 7x9. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.